Welcome friend to my channel AB Infotech. Today we will discuss about Adobe Acrobat cannot open the file attachment because your PDF file attachment settings do not allow the file type to be opened. Now it is a Adobe Reader file. After opening the Adobe Reader file, I want to open its attachment file. Here the attachment file, so I double click the attachment file, but I could not open the file and the specific problem can be seen here. Today I will show you how can you resolve the specific problem. So let's start. Now you open Adobe Reader software. Here you will find edit option. Select edit and click it. Now go to the preference option and click it. In the category of preference you will find Task Manager. In the Task Manager you will find a very important option, allow opening of non-PDF file attachment with external applications. It is a very important option to open all type of file attachment. If in your Adobe Reader it is not checked, please make sure to check it and click OK. In my system, by default it is checked, so it is OK. Now you open specific Adobe Reader file and you have to check what type of file extension you have. In my case I have two attachment. One is .xlsx file type and second is .xml file type. Now press Windows plus R button together on your keyboard. Run option will appear. Here you write regedit, regedit, regedit and press click OK. Click yes. Now select Heki local machines and expand that. After that select software and expand that. Go to the policies option and expand that. Select Adobe and expand that. Then select Adobe Reader and expand that. Then select DC, expand that. Then select feature lockdown and expand that. Then select see default launch attachment palms and double click that. Here in right side you will find T built-in palm list. Double click that. Now you have to edit value data of T built-in palm list. Click on the value data and press right arrow of your keyboard and go to the end. Now at the end you have to add the vertical bar symbol of keyboard, and after the vertical bar symbol you have to add the extension of attachment file that cannot be opened in Adobe Reader. After the extension file you have to add colon from keyboard, and after the colon you have to add number 1. That's it. In my case I have two type of file attachment. One is .xlsx and other is .xml. So I have to add the vertical bar. After the vertical bar symbol, I have to write .xlsx colon 1. Again add vertical bar symbol. After that I write .xml colon 1. Remember, number 3 for not allowed to open and number 1 is always open. So I give number 1 and then click OK and restart your system.